NorthIsle is a TSXV listed copper gold mine development and exploration company with the ticker NCX. Our mission is to become a leading resource developer focusing on minerals that have strategic importance in the future economy. Our flagship asset is the North Island project, which is one of the most promising copper and gold porphyry projects in Canada and is located near the historical mining centre of Port Hardy on the north end of Vancouver Island. We see the project as having tangible, near-term upside, both through project development and through the drill bit. Our leadership team has discovered, financed, built, and operated numerous multi-billion-dollar assets now owned by the majors, and now we've all converged on this opportunity to work together to create something truly unique and special. We endeavor to have environmental and social sustainability at the forefront of every decision we make. Being in British Columbia, which is one of the best and most responsible mining jurisdictions in the world, we believe our approach is much aligned with interests of the communities we work in and Indigenous nations. British Columbia has been very supportive of mining, and the North Island in particular has strong mining DNA, with past producing Island Copper Mine owned by BHP and the operating Orca quarry in the area. Port Hardy even has mining, forestry, fishing on its town sign. I'd like to emphasize that our leadership team strongly believes in this opportunity and owns just shy of 20% of the outstanding share capital and has recently added to their positions. In my mind, there are three things that make this story compelling. The first is project development. The project boasts a large resource base with nearly 2 billion pounds of copper and over 3 million ounces of gold in indicated resources, with significant amounts of moly and rhenium byproducts. We're in the process of updating the 2017 PEA to incorporate improved metallurgical recoveries, as well as current metal prices and updated costs. I'm excited for the potential impact this will have on our project and our overall valuation, which by any objective measure is heavily discounted. Secondly, we have an enormous underexplored land package covering over 33,000 hectares and spanning a 50-kilometer porphyry district. Our head of exploration, Jack McClintock, is one of the world's top porphyry explorationists and was responsible for finding the Spence mine, which is now operated by BHP, and was a big reason why I joined the company. We have an aggressive exploration plan formulated for 2021. We will be targeting extensions at the large tonnage Hushimu deposit and the higher grade Red Dog deposit, while advancing our thesis on the highly prospective underground target at Pemberton Hills that we think has the characteristics consistent with a very large high grade copper porphyry system. Third, we will take a very active yet disciplined approach to creating value through financings, joint ventures, and potential partnerships. Our team has been involved in well over $100 billion of transactions in the mining sector over the past 20 years and understand how to successfully identify, access, and execute value-accretive deals. Absolutely. I'm very excited for the future. There are several things which we expect to have an impact on the upcoming PEA. First, recoveries at Red Dog and Hushimu have increased significantly. At Red Dog, copper recoveries increased by 5% to approximately 90%, while gold recoveries went up 65% and are now estimated at 53%. At Hushimu, copper recoveries are now as high as 88%, while gold recoveries are in the range of 50%. Second, the updated PEA is expected to include the impact of silver and rhenium recoveries. Previously, these metals were not factored into the revenues, even though they existed in the concentrate. Third, we will be looking at updating metal price assumptions to accurately reflect the current outlook for commodities. Based on the 2017 PEA, a 10% increase in commodity prices from the base case scenario increases the NAV by 64%. For reference, our base case pricing assumptions in 2017 was $3.10 for copper and $1,300 for gold. Finally, we will be including updated capital and operating costs as well as other economic inputs. We have a number of important catalysts for 2021. We're on track to complete our updated PEA in Q1. We will be advancing discussions with Indigenous nations and initiate more detailed discussions with the neighboring communities, government, and other stakeholders. We're going to commence our activities around the pre-feasibility study related to work at the NorthIsle project. We will be accelerating our exploration on our vast and highly prospective land package, focused on several attractive high priority targets, and update the market on all these results in a timely fashion. We will also actively pursue value accretive corporate development activities in a thoughtful and disciplined manner. And lastly, we will continue to add to our team to progress our mission of becoming the leading sustainable mineral resource company for the future. Thank you so much for your time. I'm very excited about the opportunities for NorthIsle.